And this question, it is given that a thin copper wire of length L increases in length by 1% when heated from T1 degree Celsius to T2 degree Celsius. So we can just identify how to calculate the value of percentage change. So we can write the change in length is equal to, or I'm just writing in terms of dl, change in length is equal to initial length into alpha into delta t. So you can write the value of dl by l. I'm just writing small change in length because the percentage change is given as very small. So we can write dl by l is equal to nothing but alpha into delta t. So percentage change in length is nothing but the value of change in length divided by actual value into 100. So that is equal to alpha into delta t into 100. So indirectly the value of alpha into delta t into 100 is given as nothing but 1%. Now the next part of question is given that the percentage change in area when a copper plate having dimensions 2L into L is heated from T1 degree Celsius to T2 degree Celsius. So no need to observe this, what about the dimensions over here. Whatever may be the value of its dimensions, even they given as 2L into L, 2L into 3L, 2L into 2L, whatever may be the value, the percentage change in area is going to be same. Let's see why it is like that. We can write the equation for change in area, that is equal to initial area into beta into delta t. So you can write the value of final change in area divided by initial area is equal to nothing but beta into delta t. So we can write the percentage change in area is equal to nothing but change in area divided by actual area into 100. So that is equal to nothing but beta into delta t into 100. So we know that irrespective of whatever may be the value of initial area, percentage change in area is will be a constant. It depends upon beta and delta t, now depends upon the value of initial area. So you can write the value of this beta is nothing but 2 times of alpha into delta t into 100. So they are asking to find out this value. So this 2 into alpha into delta t into 100 is nothing but it is the value of 1%, or it is 1%. Alpha delta t into 100 is 1%. So you can write this 2 into 1%, or you can write now this is going to be 2%. Same as like that, if you like to find out the value of change in percentage change in volume, then it is going to be 3%.